Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unboxing and confirming the exact Airpods model you bought from Meesho so you know features and charging type. Put the earbuds into the case and charge the case to at least 50%. This ensures uninterrupted setup. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or tablet and place the case with the lid open next to the device. This proximity triggers discovery. You'll save time and avoid repeated pairing attempts if the case has sufficient battery. After opening the case, follow the on-screen pairing prompt and tap Connect so your device registers the Airpods. Once paired, customize controls, set double tap or long press actions, and enable spatial audio or switch noise control modes depending on your model. This optimizes listening and call behavior. Also rename the Airpods in Bluetooth settings so you can easily identify them. Make sure to check firmware version and update if available. Keeping firmware current fixes bugs. You use the Airpods by keeping them in the charged case when not listening. Check battery levels via the widget to avoid surprises. For common issues like no audio or frequent disconnects, reset the Airpods by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes, then repair. This clears pairing conflicts. If one bud stays dead or the case won't charge, clean contacts gently, and if the problem persists, contact the Meesho seller immediately for warranty support or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.